Psychophysiology is really about linking together physiological responses from the body to psychological entities, things like emotions and thoughts and feelings and so on. So what we tend to do is that rather than say giving someone a questionnaire to say are you stressed or are you happy or are you angry at the moment, we tend to take measures from the cardiovascular system, brain activation, even the muscles of the face. So what we do normally involves putting a lot of wires on people, taking a lot of objective kind of quantifiable data and trying to use that to look at the psychological significance of what's going on. I think the first thing that Open Labs did for us, well, that we put together with Open Labs, was the Body Lab workshop. Now, the idea of the Body Lab workshop was to give us a platform in order to present our work to a group of interested parties who, some of whom, well, they were all SMEs from around Liverpool, and to present our work to that group of individuals and really to allow us to start networking with that group of individuals and you know, to pursue certain lines of inquiry. But what it also did for us, it made us think about how we present our work to that sort of audience, which is not as straightforward as you would think. Pitching it at the right level, pitching the work at the right level, pitching what we did, we did a group of exercises during that workshop, pitching the exercises in a way that they were accessible and useful and thought-provoking. You know, that was a really big step for us. It was the first time we'd ever done anything like that. And you know, we're still kind of reaping the benefits of that original kind of contact in a way. I think it's tremendously important that the university has an entity like Open Labs, because what Open Labs are doing is that they are bringing the businesses and the university together. Now, in other parts of the university, we may get a thing where a company come looking for something specific, and we may get a case where someone makes a contact with somebody from a company and they go looking for something specific. But what Open Labs are doing is more than a bridge, really. It's more like a matchmaker. It's more like having an awareness of what our skills are and having an awareness of what we want to do and where we want to go with our research, and then looking for people who want to join us on that journey.